Okay, for part B, right, you need to use part A again, right? This is how these questions work. So in this case now, you need to think about the ln here, and you've got 16, haven't you, plus 2e to the x. You've got to somehow sort of relate that to part A, right? What I want you to notice is, in the bracket here, these are twice as much as what we've got in the first bracket, okay? And in fact, if we look at this bracket, you could factorize it, couldn't you? You could rewrite this as ln, and perhaps I'll use a square bracket to distinguish things, but you could take out a factor of 2 here, couldn't you? Factorize it, so then bracket 2 times 8 will give you 16, and then 2 times e to the x will give you 2e to the x. Okay, so you can do that, can't you? They are equal. They've just taken out the 2 there. And now that you've got this, you kind of see the 8 plus ex from up there, but notice the 8 plus ex in this bracket is times in by 2. So you've got ln of 2 times this, and with laws of logs, or with logarithms, if you've got this ln ab, right, that's the same as ln a plus ln b. Okay, so if you times in two things in the logarithm, you could split it up by adding them, and that's what we can do here. Okay, this would be the integral, okay, of ln 2 plus the integral of 8 plus e to the x dx, right? So you can see now we're actually getting a out. This is part A here, isn't it? You've also got this ln2, all right? It is a constant, but you need to sort of realize we need to integrate it, okay? What I would do is, first of all, is split this up into two integrals, 0, 3 ln2 plus then the integral of 0, 3 ln 8 plus e to the x dx, okay? And then realize, well, actually, this is a constant. ln2 is a constant, so I could just take it outside if I wanted to, you know, if I really want to be clear on this. And you're just left with 1 here then, aren't you? 1 dx plus then the integral of this. Okay? And then when you're integrating 1 then, you just get x, don't you? Okay? Between 3 and 0. Okay? And then, of course, we know the answer to this is 7.82. We got that in part A. And then all you've got to do is chuck this in. So this will be ln2, 3 take away 0, plus 7.82. And then you just use your calculator to work that out. So ln2, 3 take away 0 is just 3, isn't it? So that's 3 ln2 plus then 7.82. And you get your answer. And of course, 9.8994, etc., etc. We need to round that then to 2 decimal places. Okay, we get 9.90.